Today we will see the Opal coding platform HackerRank. Okay, if you have already account in HackerRank, no problem. If you don't have account, now itself create it by clicking the sign up. By clicking sign up, click sign up and code for developer. Select the developer and click sign up and code. Here you have to give the first name, last name. For first name, last name, in between first name, last name, you should give the space. Then you have to give the email ID, password. Okay, I will give the sample. Yes. You have to give the space in between the first name, last name. If you don't give, you will get it will not accept. Okay, it is showing that under the first name, last name, red mark means something is wrong, we don't accept. Here give at least 6 characters length password. Okay, the password should be 6 character length minimum. Okay, here we have to give the space. It is already taken. Once you have the account, we can't create with the same email ID. Okay, like this, give the username, that is first name, last name with spaces, and give the email, valid email ID, then give the password with a minimum length of 6 characters, then create an account. Okay, if you don't have account, now itself create the account. Okay, this is the 3 fields only you have to fill and click create an account. If you are already account, then click login button, enter into HackerRank. I have already created. I'm entering the email ID, password. Okay, now we will see the programs in HackerRank. Okay, I will wait 2 more minutes. If anyone is facing any problem in the creation of account, let me know. If you don't have account, create now itself. Please create the account if you don't have the account by clicking the first name, last name, and email ID, password. That's it. Then you can create the account. After creation account, you have to select the graduation year. Your graduation year may be 2025. Okay, right? Then select the complete and learn the programming. Okay. After that, okay, created. Then click prepare here. Below this, prepared by topic, select the Python. Okay. Okay, everyone log into the HackerRank. I will wait 2 more minutes. You can create the account. You can log into the HackerRank. If anyone is facing any problem, let me know. I will help in the creation of account. Okay. I hope no one else is getting any problem in the creation of account. Now let's see the first program. Print the hello world with Python. This is a open coding platform. Everyone should know how to write the programs in HackerRank. Along with me, try to execute the programs. Now itself, along with me, try to execute the programs. Okay, you will get a screen like this. At left side, you will get this question, and right side we have to code. It is a sample line of code that can be executed in Python. Okay, I'm removing this. Okay, we have to print the hello world. This can be done with two ways. Directly, we can print a message with the print statement, or we can store this hello world statement in one variable. We can print that variable. Okay. Directly, we can use the print command, print function to print the hello world, or we can store this print world statement in some variable, and we can print that variable. Okay. Let us do this. Message message hello okay. You should see the output. You should see the string. H should be capital and comma should be there. After comma, we should leave some space. Then W will be the capital, and at the end we should have exclamatory mark. Okay. Print this variable. Print of message. Okay. Or you can directly print this hello world in the print statement itself. Then after writing this statement, click run code. Everyone try to execute these programs in HackerRank. You should know the open coding platform HackerRank, how to write the programs in open coding. That is HackerRank platform. Okay. If the program is correct, everything, we get the message like congratulations. Okay. You can submit the code. If you submit the code, you will get some points. Okay. I will already submitted, that's why I'm not submitting. Okay. Everyone do this program. This simple program only, but you should know the how to write in HackerRank. how to write and execute the programs in HackerRank. See the next program. The server is little bit slow, please cooperate us. Okay. Next program, if else. Click that one. Okay, now you will get a screen like this. The left side, you can see the question. On right side, we have to code. Okay. Given an integer n, perform the following any conditional actions. Okay, we have to read the in value from the user. If the in value is add, print void. I will delete this program. Okay. If the in value is add, you have to print void. If the in value is even, in the range of 2 to 5, two conditions. If the in value is even and range is 2 to 5, we have to print not void. If the in value is even, if the range is 6 to 20, we have to print void. If the in value is even and greater than 20, we have to print not void. Okay. Can you try? Please take some time to implement this logic. If you are not able to do, I will explain it. Try once. First try. Try this. We have to take n value. If the n value is odd, we have to print void. If the n value is even and in the range is 2 to 5, we have to print not void. If the n value is even in the range is 6 to 20, we have to print void. If the n value is even and greater than 20, we have to print not void. Okay, I will explain it. First, I am taking the in value from the user. N is equal to int of input. Okay. The in value is add. We have to print void. Okay. If n modulus of 2 not equal to 0. I'm checking the odd number, not even number. So I'm giving the not equal to 0. Okay. Print WEIRT. Okay. Elif. If n value is even, n modulus of 2 equal to 0 and if n range is between 2 to 5 greater than equal to 2 and n less than equal to 5. Okay. This time we have to print not void. Don't give unnecessary message. If n is even and in the range of 6 to 20, we have to print wide. Okay. N modulus of 2 equal to 0 and n greater than equal to 6 and n less than equal to 20. Print wide this time. Okay. Next, last condition is if n is even and greater than 20, you have to print not wide. Okay. ఎవరో ఒకటి విజువలైజ్ కంపల్సరీ ఉంటారు ప్రతి రోజు. Last statement, you have to check the n is even and greater than 20. If n modulus of 2 equal to 0 and n should be greater than 20 and greater than 20. Print this time not wide. Okay, this is the program. First, we have to accept the in value from the user. If the in value is add, first condition, if the in value is add, we have to print wide. Okay, if the in value is even in the range of 2 to 5 range. Okay, 2 to 5 range, we have to print not wide. If the in value is even in the range of 6 to 20, we have to print wide. Okay, if the in value is greater than 20 and it is even, we have to print not wide. Okay, I'm running the program. Okay, we are getting the correct output only. Okay, Everyone try this program. Everyone this time only type in the hacker rank and try to execute it. If you are not able to you are getting any errors, please let me know. I will help in solving the errors. Everyone try to execute this program. If you are facing any problem, let me know. I will help in solving the errors.
You just kidding, bro.
Okay. If anyone is getting any errors in this program, execution of program, okay. If anyone is facing any problem in this execution program, let me know. I will help in solving the errors. After running the code, you can submit the code. You will get some points. Okay. Then see the next program. Arithmetic operators. Tell me,
One.
anyone has any doors? Server is little bit slow. Please cooperate with me. Just the server is very much slow. Please cooperate with me. Otherwise, I will close it to the hacker rank. I will log in again. Okay. Let us see the arithmetic operator now. Okay. will get the screen like this. To I will delete this code. Okay. If you read the question, the provided code reads two integers from HDIN. HDIN means input A and B. Add the code to the print 3 lines where first line contains the sum of two numbers, second line contains the difference of two numbers, third line contains the product of two numbers. The question is, we have to accept the two numbers. Then in first line, we have to print the sum of two numbers. In second line, we have to print the difference of two numbers. In third line, we have to print the product of the two numbers. This is a simple code. Try everyone. Simple code only. We have to read the inputs A and B. In the first line, we have to print the sum of two numbers. In second line, we have to print the difference of two numbers. In third line, we have to print the product of two numbers. That's it only. Okay. Prince, try to write this program, simple program only. I'm also writing. Meanwhile, you also can write the program. Just we have to take the A and B input values. Okay. B is called int of input. In the first line, we have to print the sum of two numbers. Print of A plus B. Everyone should complete these HackerRank programs. You should know the HackerRank platform, how to execute the in HackerRank programs. Everyone complete these programs. In second line, we print the difference of two numbers. In third line, we print the product of two numbers. Okay, that's it. This is a simple program. He also giving the sample. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5. If sum of 2 A and B 8 is A minus B, we are getting minus 2. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5. Product is 15. Okay, is giving the sample input, sample output also. Okay, let us run this program. Okay, we are getting the correct output only. If you are writing first time, you can click submit code. You will get the some points. Okay. Everyone completed? Next, we see the next we will see the Python division. Okay. If you read the question, The provided code stub reads two inputs. We'll delete this code. Okay. The provided code stub reads the two integers a and b from standard in. Okay. Add the logic to print two lines. We have to write two lines only. First line should contain the result of integer division. Second line should contain the result of float division. If we take two integers a and b, if we divide a by b, we get the result in float. If we use these symbols, these two double lines, that is the integer division. This single line is float division. If you divide a by b with this symbol, you will get this single line, you will get the result in float, whereas double line, that is the integer division, you will get result in integer result. You need not to convert it to the, it is equal to applying the integer int function in front of the float. Okay, let us write the program. A is called int of input. B is called int of input. Okay, the first line, add the logic to print two lines. First line should contain the result of integer division. That is this symbol. You can see that this double lines. Okay, that is the integer division. Single line, we get the result in float. Okay, print of a double slash. This is the integer division. We will get the result in int form. Okay, print a by b. In this case, we get the result in float. Okay. Okay, let us run the code. Okay, we are getting the correct output only. If you are doing first time, you can submit the code. You will get the sub points. Okay, everyone done this program? Anyone is having any errors, please let me know. I will help you solving the errors. Okay, let us move to another program. Let us move to the loops. Okay, it is not responding. Let us log in again. Now we have to see the loops. Okay, task, that is question. Now let us delete this contents. Okay, the provided code stub reads an integer n from yesterday n. We have to give the n value. Okay, based on n value, we have to print. If the n is 3, we have to print 0, 1, 4. Okay, we have to declare one I value. If the in value is 3, we have to declare I value. Based on that I value, print I square. Okay, we have to take the I value 0, 1, 2. We have to print I square of I. Okay, let us try. Okay, try this program, everybody. If the n value is 3, if you give the n value is 3, the output should be 0, 1, 4. How we get this? If the n value is 5, okay, the output should be 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. We have to take one I value, we have to initialize I to 0, then we have to print the I square of I up to less than n. Try. If you are not able to, I will explain it. Try once. If you are getting or not getting also, I will explain it. First try. Just we have to take the I value initialize to 0. Then we have to increment the I value. We have to print the square of I. That's it. Simple code only. Try this. With help of while, with help of for, we can do with for. With both, we can do this. With help of while also, with help of for also, we can do this. Okay. And explain this program. First, we have to take the in value from the user. In is called int of input. Okay. Okay. Based on in value, we have to print the I square values. Okay. First, initialize I to 0. While I less than n. Okay. We have to take up to less than 7 only. N only. Don't take equal to n. We don't want values here. Okay. Print I into I. That's it. Then we have to increment the I value. I is equal to I plus 1. Okay. Run this code. Okay. We are able to get the output only. The input is 5, output 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. How we are getting at the first time I value 0. 0 square 0, 0. At second time I value 1. 1 square is equal to 1. At third time I value is 2. 2 square equal to 4. We are getting 4. At fourth time I value 3. 3 square 9. At fifth time I value 4. 4 square 16. Okay, we are getting the correct output only. Okay. In program, if I into I means I square, this can be written like another way also. I double star 2 is the I square. Okay. This way also we can do. Here we can write I into I or you can write I square. This is the I square. In both cases, we get the correct output only. Okay, we are able to get the output. Okay. Okay, note down this and execute this program, everybody. I will write this program again for loop also. In for loop also, I will write this program. Everyone done? Execute now itself only. You will get the errors. I will help in solving the errors. Okay. Now I will write this program for loop. Okay. For I in range of n. Okay. Print I square value. Okay. Here you can use I square like this, or you can use I into I. Both are correct only. Okay. Here in for loop, we need not to initialize the I value to 0. We need to increment the I value. In for loop, I value is by default initialized to 0. In each iteration, I value will be incremented to 1. Okay. Let us run this program. Okay. You can see that we are getting the correct output only. Okay. Note down this program also and try to execute it. Okay, everyone done? Okay, let's move on to next program.
One fight for creator.
Okay. If you are not done, note it down. move to next program. That is right function. Any problem? As రైజ్ చేస్తున్నారు ఏంటమ్మా Now let's solve the right function. In this, we have to find out the leap year. Okay. If we have to take okay. In this, we have to accept the year. We have to print whether that year is leap year or not. We know that if the divisible by 4, that is leap year. We have to read the year from the user. If the year is divisible by 4, that is leap year. And if it is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 4 and it is divisible by 100, then also it is leap year. Sorry, it is divisible by 4 and it is divisible by 100, not divisible by 100, then it is leap year. It is divisible by 100, then it is divisible by 400, then it is leap year. You can see the year can be evenly divisible by 4 is a leap year unless the year can be evenly divisible by 100 and it is not a leap year unless the year is evenly divisible by 400, then it is leap year. If it is divisible by 400, 100, again 400, that is a leap year. Let us write this in function. Function is nothing but a group of lines of code. We write it in separately. Whenever we require, we call that function. Okay. To write the function, we declare with the def keyword. Def is used to declare the function. Def. I'm writing the function is leap. Is underscore leap. Leap is called to for. False. Okay. I'm declaring one variable. Leap is called false. That is a Boolean variable. Here modulus of 4 equal to 0. Again, if here modulus of 100 equal to 0. If here modulus of 400 equal to 0. Leap is called true. Okay, else leap is called false. else leap is called true. Else leap is equal to false. At the end of the method, we have to return the that leap variable. Turn. Okay. Leap. Okay. In this function, the function is defined with the keyword def. This is leap is a function name. I am passing one argument, that is year. In the function, I am checking it is divisible by 4, it divisible by 100, it is divisible by 400, means leap year. Leap is called true. I'm storing Boolean variable. Else leap is called false. If it is divisible by 4, not divisible by 100, then also that is a leap year. Okay. This in this year is called input. I am taking the year. In is leap is calling the function. Here in print itself, I am calling the function. This function returns true or false based on the year. That is printing in print statement itself. If want, we can store that result value in one variable. We can print it. In print statement only, I am calling the function. That's why we are able to print that return value. Okay, run this. Okay, we are getting the correct output only. All test cases are satisfied. Okay, everyone note down this. Everyone note down this. Try to execute it now itself. Everyone note down this program and try to execute it. Okay. Let's move to another program. That is print function. Okay. You have to take the read the question at the left side. You have to read the in value from the user. Without using any string methods, try to print the following. Okay. If your user is entered n is equal 5, we have to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a string. Okay. If the user entered 3, we have to print 1, 2, 3 as a string. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try to implement this logic. If you are not able to, I will help you. I will write this program anyway. Once try this. If you are giving in value 10, you have to print up to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that should be in a string format. We don't require addition. Concatenation of string we want. Okay. I'm going to write it. First, I have to accept the in value from the user. Input. Then, if the user is entered 5, I have to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the string format. Okay. I'm initializing I is equal to 1 while I less than equal to n. str1 is equal to str1 plus I. I will initialize one string str1 equal to empty string. this I value I will convert into string. Okay. I have to increment the I value. Okay. At the end, I have to print the string str1. Okay. I'm inserting I value to 1. I'm taking one empty string. In each iteration, I'm adding the I value to that string. I'm concatenating that string with the I value. Okay. Let us run this. Okay, we are able to get the correct output. If user is given 3, we are getting the output 1, 2, 3. Our output, expected output is correct only. Okay. Can we write this in for loop? First note down this and try to execute it. I will write in this same code in for loop. Not done. Let us write this in for loop. For I in range of the I value will start from 0. That's why we have to specify 1. Here n plus 1. Okay. Here again we need not to declare I is equal to 1. Then str equal str1 equal to str1 plus str of I. Okay. Print str1. Okay. Let us run this. Okay, we are able to get the output, correct output only. Here, why I am taking I in range of 1, 7 plus 1. By default, range will start 0. In our program, the I value should start from 1. And the range, it takes only up to n minus 1. We have to take up to n value. That's why I'm giving n plus 1. If we are giving 5, it will take up to 4 only. Our program, our program should need n value. Up to n value we need to take. That's why I'm giving n plus 1. If you give n plus 1, it will take up to n only. That's why I'm giving n plus 1 here. Okay. Please note down this program and try to execute it. Okay, everyone try to complete up to these programs in HackerRank. If you don't have any account, please create the account and solve the programs. Starting the programs in HackerRank. Why I'm using strfi? We can't combine the integers and strings. Both should be in string form only. That's why I'm converting the I value into string before concatenating the I value to the string. Otherwise,